friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple. I'm documenting week 24 of my 2024 Project Life album. So this week I'm just going to be using Elle Studios June kit. And as you can see here, I've already printed my pictures and I'm popping them into the pockets here. I'm going to be using some of the die cuts from the kit, as well as some puffy gold stickers from Elle Studio, and I believe I use one of the stamp sets. I can't remember, I think it's the Jenni alphabet stamp set. I'll go ahead and put that in the description and a link if you guys want to check these out on the Elle Studio website. So yeah, hope you guys are all having a great summer. Things are heating up over here where we live. We are facing triple digit weather and it is ugh. Hopefully it's cooler in your side of town or state or wherever you're at. Go ahead and leave in the comment where you are from. I would love to see where you guys are located. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start with my week with the left hand side. Top 4x6 picture, a mouthful, is just a quick picture of the kids at the zoo. On the first day of summer vacay, they wanted to visit our local zoo, and so we did that. I love this. I think this is like my favorite picture of all the pictures that we took that day. It's the sloth, and it looks like they're hanging upside down. I absolutely love this one. And the next 3x4 picture here that I'm working on is the kids wanted to make their own little pizzas. And I don't know, for some reason they love making pita bread pizzas. So I don't know, have you ever tried those? They're really quick and easy, and it's such a nice treat for the kids. They make them and they put them in the little oven, and they're nice and crunchy, crispy. And they add all the toppings that they want. So it's definitely one of the things that we documented, or what was on the bucket list, summer bucket list. So I used this 3x4 card here that says summer fun, and I went ahead and listed the things that we accomplished this week. The next 3x4 picture over is a little pineapple that I happened to find at Target. My friend Amy, who's Crafty Chaos here on YouTube and Instagram, for my birthday, she gifted me like a bunch of pineapple things. Like it was like a squishy pen, a notepad, a lunchbox, and I believe it was a pineapple bath bomb, all kinds of pineapple stuff. It was super cute. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh, I gotta have it. And so I ended up buying it. I think it's going to be our little mascot for our Pretty Pineapples meetups. So yeah, I absolutely brought it home with me. And here I have it in the car with me on the ride home. The next little picture here, it's a little 2x2 picture of dinner that I made. Usually my husband's the one that does all the cooking on the Traeger, but I did this meal by myself and I was super proud. So here I document a little bit. I think it has this little tab here that says Summer Eats, and I did chicken in the Traeger with some new sauce and rub, and it was just amazing. With some asparagus and some little potatoes. Sorry, my Pom's in the room with me. He follows me everywhere, but then he barks and then he makes a lot of noise on my voiceovers. I do apologize. They are setting off fireworks and they bark every time they hear it. Milo, be quiet. Here I use the Jenni alpha set and stamp set, and I just use the little X's to document the little things that we've been checking off our bucket list. Another one was here. We did some puzzle making, and it was a cool puzzle that we got from Target. It was like a night and day, and it was super cool, and so we worked on that. And here I'm doing one of those puzzle where I lift the puzzles. My daughter usually does it, but she let me do it, and so I thought that was cool. So she took a picture of me, and here I'm posting that. This week my daughter took her behind the wheel test for her driver's license, and she passed, and we were super excited. My husband and I both attended with her, and she was super nervous, but I told her, you got this, you've been practicing, you've been driving, and she passed with flying colors. She got a really good score. And so we treated her out. We took her out on a little shopping spree and to celebrate. And yeah, I can't believe it. We have a 16-year-old licensed driver now in the family. Super excited for her. Now we got to go shopping for her car. So super excited for that to come. The next row underneath there is my selfie, which is my Thursday 3 post. And then I journaled that card off camera. And here I'm just working on a card with a 2x2 picture of my husband. He is out with a group of his guy friends from work. They're out there celebrating. I forget, I guess they were celebrating all their birthdays because my husband's birthday is this month. And so they all went out for their birthday, and so that was cool. And then the next 3x4 picture next underneath that is a picture of my son and my daughter's boyfriend's brother. It was his 13th birthday and he had a pool party, and so we all attended as a family. And here I just happened to take a picture of her and her boyfriend, and they're just so very photogenic. I just love seeing them together. They're so great together. And so yeah, I just use one of these die cuts here with a little camera, and I add these little diamond studs here, or flat jemmies, whatever you want to call them. Just put it in the center there. And then here I'm going to get ready to do my Thursday 3. Oh wait, before that I do end up using one of these puffy heart gold stickers, and I do end up using a gold heart because when I was taking this blue heart die cut, it kind of ripped in the middle, so I kind of wanted to cover that, you know, those oopsie doopsies that you get to cover up super easy with stickers. And then I do end up taking out this, I believe it's a little bunting flag that says "Let's Go," and so I put that on the picture where my daughter is holding her driver's license thing, paperwork from the DMV. And then I just add this little label here, just talking about, you know, her passing her test. And then I believe I just journal a little bit there, and then I believe I do end up doing my journaling for my Thursday 3 off camera because I always run into that problem. I don't know, I think maybe there's just what is it called, a firewall or something on my computer, and for some reason I can never access my Instagram on my computer. I don't know what the deal is, but I can never upload my posts, so I have to use it from my phone. And so yeah, I can't check my Instagram and record on at the same time, so I do have to do it off camera here. And then I had this cute little sun paper clip, I believe it was from last month's kit, and I decided to make a little slit here with my X-Acto knife and my ruler, and decided to just insert the little clip there so you could kind of see it. And then I end up using the little X's from the alpha stamp here just to mark my 1, 2, and 3 for my Thursday 3. And then I do it off camera, but I add a little diamond stud on the middle of that sun there. And that concludes this week. Super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys. Keep cool.